Hey, I want to thank Joy Deco for sending these blinds for us to try. This is such a great idea. It's the honeycomb style, and I love that there's no cord, and so you just pull it, stop it wherever you want to. So easy to operate. This one is the linen, and look at that. It is so pretty. It looks like linen. It's got that beige with just a little bit of flex in it. I love the way this one looks. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. The other really cool thing about this one is you don't have to use any tools to install it if you don't want to, although it does come with brackets if you want that. But all you have to do is you have these little pads, peel off the tape, stick it here on both sides, and then one side will pull out. So you put it up where it's going to go inside the frame, and then get this in, you get it exactly where you want. And then on the back, you can tighten it up. So you've got the exact position that you need it to be in, and then you don't have to put any screws or any holes in your wall. So that is great. So I love that it is adjustable, and it gives you just a little bit of wiggle room too, because sometimes it's hard to fit these right to the window. But I really love this. I think it's fantastic. This is a light filtering one. And again, I just love that honeycomb look. I love that pretty linen style. There's what it looks like on the sides, but very, very pretty. And if you want, it comes with a little clip that you can just snap into place here. And then that way you've got something to pull it up and down. You don't have to grab this. I like it without it. I just think it looks really pretty and sleek. Okay, so here's our new door. We're going to sand it down and restain it. But I also want to show what the blinds are going to look like once that is up. Okay, and since this is an outside mount, we just got our little brackets up there, and then this is going to just pop in place. Okay, so we finally got the door hung up. We've got the brackets on. See how it looks. Okay, so once you've got your brackets in, this pushes in. So you're gonna hook it there, push in and push down, and that's going to snap it into place. So it's there. So you can see how good that looks, how easy it is, where it still lets a little bit of light in, but it gives you that privacy. I can still see out, so if somebody's coming in, I can see, and then you can just easily raise it up and down.